Happy New Year, traders! It's January 1st, 2025, and while today may be a public holiday in many countries, the Forex market never sleeps. I'm here to bring you the latest updates and what to look out for as we gear up for the first full trading day of the year. Let's start with the major pairs. The Euro-dollar pair, Euro to US dollar, wrapped up 2024 with a bullish run, thanks to strong Eurozone economic data and dovish comments from the Federal Reserve. However, as we look to tomorrow, the focus will shift to the latest US manufacturing data, which could give the dollar some strength if it surprises to the upside. Next up, the British pound. The pound sterling to US dollar pair has been under pressure recently, largely due to concerns over the UK's growth outlook. But keep an eye on tomorrow's house price index report. If the numbers beat expectations, we could see the pound recover some ground against the dollar. Now, let's talk about the yen. The US dollar to Japanese yen pair remains volatile as the Bank of Japan's surprise policy moves continue to shake the markets. Traders will want to watch any new developments in Japanese government bond yields, as they often dictate the yen's short-term movements. Looking at emerging markets, the USD/ZAR and USD/TRY pairs are worth watching. In South Africa, political uncertainty and power outages are putting pressure on the rand. Meanwhile, in Turkey, inflation concerns remain a key driver for the lira. So, what's on the agenda for tomorrow? Key events include US manufacturing PMI, a major indicator of economic health. UK house price index, a crucial figure for gauging consumer confidence. Eurozone inflation data, this will heavily influence the euro's performance. China's trade balance, a key metric for commodity-linked currencies like the Australian and Canadian dollars. Now, let's dive into some actionable strategies. For the Eurodollar, consider setting a tight stop loss if you're trading ahead of the US PMI release. For the pound dollar, look for buy opportunities if the house price index shows resilience. And for the yen, keep a close eye on bond yield news. Timing is everything here. Remember, the first trading day of the year sets the tone for the weeks ahead. Stay disciplined, stick to your strategies, and don't get caught up in market noise. Success in Forex is all about preparation and timing. That's your January 1st, 2025, Forex update and forecast for tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll be back tomorrow with more insights to help you navigate the Forex market. Happy trading, and let's make 2025 a profitable year.